How is ceramic coating actually applied? What goes into a proper ceramic coating job? Today I'll show you our complete process step by step. I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services. Now it all starts with the preparation. Here's the thing most people don't realise: the coating application itself is maybe 2 hours of work. The prep is really where the time goes. Before any ceramic coating touches the paint, we need to make sure that the paint is absolutely perfect. Now first up is the wash and decontamination of the paintwork. First, a thorough multi-stage wash, pre-wash, contact wash and a rinse, then decontamination. Clear bar treatment to remove bonded contaminants you can't see. Then an IPA wipe down, isopropyl alcohol, to remove any oils, polishing residue or wax. The surface must be completely bare and clean. Now once we've done all that, it's time for paint correction. Most vehicles do need paint correction before a ceramic coating. We machine polish to remove swirls and scratches. Remember, coatings lock in whatever's underneath. This can take 4 hours all the way up to 4 days depending on the car's condition. Now the application. Now we apply the ceramic coating. We work panel by panel. A small amount of coating is applied to an applicator pad. We spread it evenly across the panel in a cross-hatch pattern, horizontal passes, then vertical passes. Then we wait. The ceramic coating needs to flash. That means it starts to bond with the paint, usually a few minutes. Then we wipe off any excess with a microfiber cloth, leaving a thin, even layer bonded to the paintwork. Multiple layers. Premium ceramic coating package includes multiple layers of ceramic coating. Each layer needs to cure before the next is applied, usually several hours. More layers equals more protection and depth on the vehicle. Now, curing times. After application, the ceramic coating needs to cure. This takes 24 hours at a bare minimum. During curing, the car cannot get wet. No rain, no washing, no damp garage. This is why we work indoors in a controlled environment. The final inspection. After curing, we do a final inspection under bright lights, check for any high spots or inconsistencies in the paintwork. Then we hand you your keys, plus your warranty certificate and aftercare instructions. So why does it really take days to do this? People sometimes ask why ceramic coatings take 2 or 3 days. Now you know. It's not us being slow, it's the full process done right with no corners being cut. Prep, correction, application, curing, each step takes time. Rushing any of them compromises the results of the ceramic coating and paint correction on the vehicle. That's professional ceramic coating. It's an investment in your vehicle and we take it seriously. If you have any questions, get in touch. I'm James from Hadrian's and thanks for watching.